When creating your project, what we need to take note of is where the project is stored. So we accept all the defaults, and this is important right here. This is the location in which your files are stored. So I'm going to copy that simply just into Word so I can remember where that is. Okay, so then when we go back, we want to actually go to this particular location to choose our file. So if we go back to File Explorer, and here we have it. We should be able to simply copy that location there, and it should take us exactly to where our programs are. So what we want to do is we want to submit this as a compressed file. So we simply select whichever assignment we have. We're going to right click on that, and we'll use Send to Compressed Folder. Okay, and we just accept it there. And when we go back, it is this particular program that we will submit and upload into in D2L so that we can submit our program.